Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Specifically, we're going to be unboxing Star Wars Carcassonne. Been dying to play this game, so let's have a look inside. Firstly though, what this isn't. This isn't a full review. I will tell you a few things about the game, but obviously I haven't played it yet, so I can't give you all the details. We will be doing a full review later. Once that's been done, look in the description underneath and you'll find a link to the full review. Okay. One of the big differences that I've read about is you're all playing as a character. In fact, the meeples, when we find them inside, should have little stickers. If you look closely, there's also faction symbols. So there are a lot of tiles, as there should be, some with faction symbols. In Star Wars Carcassonne, if you want to compare it to the normal Carcassonne, the roads have become trade routes between planets. The planets are what you would think of in Carcassonne as cathedrals, and the asteroid belts are what you would have played as cities. Loads of tiles. There are a lot of faction icons, and these are basically just an extra 2 points. If you have a faction icon on a road that you've got possession of, or in an asteroid belt, or on a planet, it just means an extra 2 points. They also come into play when you do battles, which is the other big difference from the normal Carcassonne. Here are all the meeple stickers. All these little Darth Vaders, aren't they cute? You'll have big meeples and small meeples. Ah, that score track. Of course, we have a manual, all the rules. Oh, it's nicely done. One of the things I love about manuals is when they put various sections in different colored blocks, allowing you to quickly find what you need to. Because most of the time I think we read through it once, but then we're always trying to find something quickly in a rush one late night when we can't remember how something works. Meeples. Lots of them. My favorite, the gingers. So if you look, see, there's two different sizes of meeple. I don't know if you can see it clearly there. There's a big one and a small one. When it comes to battle, the bigger ones count as 2 and the little ones count as 1. This is one of the biggest differences in Star Wars Carcassonne versus the normal Carcassonne. If someone has a planet, or what would be a cathedral, if you place a tile next to the cathedral, you can attack them. And if you are a large meeple, you roll 2 dice. And if you're a small meeple, you roll 1 die. You both roll your die for the attack. You choose the highest only, and those two are compared. In this case, the smaller meeple would have won, because 6 versus 5. So that's it. The box is empty. So one more thing I wanted to say. I want to thank Wizards Books and Games, where I got this from in Claremont and Cape Town. If you're from South Africa, I'll put a link to them below, as well as a link to their price list.